Primetime news this evening. Back in the spotlight. 40 people, including 22 children, removed from controversial St. James Church. Jamaica Rifle Association gets interim boss as FLA revokes president's dealer's permit. And Integrity Commission clears former National Security Ministers Robert Montague and Peter Bunting.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we're going to be seeing mixed movements in the prices of fuel effective tomorrow, so I'll give those details a little later on, as well as the fact that the World Bank is projecting tighter economic conditions for this year. So stick around, I'll give those details in the business day.
Okay, and for a preview of what's to come in sports, Jeremy Brown is here. Jeremy?
Well, thank you, Herman. The Pan American Hockey Cup is being staged at the Mona AstroTurf, and mixed results for the national men's and women's teams thus far. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Now, let me make sure I have the name right. Romain is here with the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. No, we have been having shower and thunderstorm activity affect most of the island for today, and we are expecting a lot of activity also for tomorrow going into the weekend. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what more do you think can be done to protect children from exploitation at faith-based institutions?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.